I'll be sleeping tomorrow night. But for now, all I know is I'm holding your body so tight. Here on out, things might not be the same. Leaving tomorrow on a 6:30 southbound train. I know I can't ask you to wait. I know that it's probably too late. I know that I've put you through hell time and again. Leaving tomorrow on a 6:30 southbound train. Lay here beside you, my heart knows I shouldn't go. Gotta make Richmond for 10 o'clock late night show. Tears me apart to put you through all of this pain. Leaving tomorrow on a 6:30 southbound train. I know I can't ask you to wait. I know that it's probably too late. I know that I've put you through hell time and again. Leaving tomorrow on a 6:30 southbound train. To ride in my arms when I return. And I know with each mile your memory will burn. My eyes filled with tears and later they'll fall like rain. So I'm leaving tomorrow on a 6:30 southbound train. No, I can't ask you to wait. Know that it's probably too late. I know that I've put you through hell time and again. Leaving tomorrow on a 6:30 southbound train. I'll never stop asking you to wait. I pray that I'm never too late. I hope that you're at the station time and again. Come back to town on the 6:30 northbound train. Come back to town